One of the companies seeking to get a franchise in Santa Fe for wireless communications is Extenet, but there are other types of companies. John Brown founded one in Albuquerque where he's been laying miles of underground fiber optic wire to provide high-speed internet services around the Duke City. You'd like to do that in Santa Fe. John Brown, you say that the new ordinance is so tough it might make you pull out and not do the Santa Fe project?
We're currently reevaluating, given recent changes in the proposed master ordinance that would make it even more expensive for us and for the citizens in Santa Fe to do this project.
What are some of those changes?
Well, I think the city has good intent to make sure that citizens are notified about construction events in their neighborhoods, but the way that they have written that into the ordinance for land use makes it very, very expensive the way it's currently written. For example, if I go build a fiber ring today and then come back 3 months from now and want to hook up a house to gigabit services, according to the language, I will have to refile an application, pay another $2,500, send out a mailing to everybody that lives in the area, all the property owners, take out an ad in a newspaper, a display ad in a newspaper, and go to a public hearing process to hook up that house.
Well, now, can I equate that to a telephone installation? There's a Quest telephone pole nearby. If I were to want a phone under this arrangement, they would have to go with another application?
Theoretically, yes.
First, let's clarify, what is your kind of system? It's not an antenna system, is it?
Nope. It's purely optical. It's light. It's next generation. We put in a fiber optic cable underground, and we use that to deliver internet services that are typically 1,000 times faster than what customers are usually seeing today. It provides the ability to have telephone service over it. And it has the ability to provide optically powered digital television service. It's a new cable. Instead of using the old copper wire cable that you have with cable or DSL, this is all lasers. It's all light. There's no wireless involved. We don't do wireless.
And it's underground.
And it's underground.
How would you get it underground?
We have a couple of ways of doing it. There are the traditional trenching and directional boring, also known as sort of horizontal drilling. But we also do a micro trench, which is less than an inch wide cut right between the gutter and the asphalt in the street that we put a special conduit down. And then our really cool technology that we've used in Albuquerque is that we have robots that pull the fiber optic line through the existing storm drain and or sewer systems of the city, and that has probably the least impact for construction and traffic delay, and the most bang for the city because we also give the city back a very detailed and accurate map and condition of their storm drain and sewer system.
And you had planned to install a fiber link circle around the city.
Correct. Our first ring is basically a circle of Paseo del Peralta,
which would go right downtown and around, sort of surround the Capitol and the downtown area.
Correct. And then we had a couple of crisscrosses that we're going to go through from north side of Paseo over to the south side, sort of going through the plaza area, and being able to hook up the buildings in the historic district and stuff like that.
You've done this in Albuquerque. Where else?
Albuquerque's been our playground. That's where we founded the company. That's where we live. And that's where we've been building and working on the technologies to get them perfected. And now we want to bring that to Santa Fe and to other markets.
And again, there's a difference between fiber optic cable and a distributed antenna system box sitting on a power pole somewhere. That radiates electromagnetic fields. Yours does not.
Correct. We don't have the only electronics in ours is the lasers that power the fiber optic cable, and that's usually back in our main computer room data center building.
But yours is not necessarily a replacement for the electromagnetic devices because yours has to be hooked up. It has to go into a building or tie into some connection somewhere.
Right. We have to bring a fiber cable into the home, or we bring a fiber cable into the business building.
Well, you'll be watching City Council deliberation on this. You'll be in town, I'm sure, to help answer questions.
I will certainly be there tomorrow.
John Brown with CityLink Fiber Optics. They're headquartered in Albuquerque. Their topic will probably also come up at Santa Fe City Council meeting tomorrow night. KSFR will broadcast that meeting beginning at 7 o'clock.